Make sure you recycle, kids. Reduce, reuse, recycle. What's really going on, PEZ book fans? Josh the PEZ guy here with two differences here for you. In Europe, you could get body parts for your PEZ dispenser. You could buy them separately or buy them with your dispenser. I don't have price tags on it, but I knew at one time, they were new at one time. That's right. I still want this dispenser. I don't think it's the Merry Melody Maker, but I still want that dispenser made. And of course, you get your PEZ candy with your scythe. It's pretty scary body parts. Well, oh, okay. I was thinking at first this was a police officer, but no, it is a bugle boy. So now, Tuffy, Jerry, I like the different languages there. He's multilingual. Bilingual? Maybe he speaks more than 2 languages. So there you go. Those are your PEZ body parts in package. Oh yeah, and another bad thing about some of these European things. Got to watch for the candy melting. This will only get worse. It will only get worse. We're going to have to find a way to fix that. So until next time,